Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of gardening with a focus on the best French lavender plant available in the market. Introducing the Back to the Roots Windowsill Planter, Lavender. This isn't just any lavender plant, folks. It's a complete kit designed to bring the calming scent of lavender into your home year-round. Let's talk features. First off, this kit is 100% organic and non-GMO, so you can rest easy knowing you're growing your lavender in the healthiest way possible. Plus, it's super convenient and easy to use, perfect for beginners or seasoned gardeners alike. Inside the kit, you'll find everything you need to get started. True lavender seeds, a large glass mason jar, custom organic soil blend, and even 2 organic fertilizer spikes. It's a complete starter kit that takes the guesswork out of indoor gardening. Now, let's talk about why growing lavender indoors is such a great idea. Not only does it add a beautiful touch of greenery to your home, but lavender is also known for its calming properties. Imagine coming home after a long day and being greeted by the soothing scent of lavender. It's like having your own personal relaxation oasis. And the best part? Lavender is incredibly easy to grow indoors. It's drought-tolerant and low-maintenance, making it the perfect plant for busy individuals or anyone who wants to add a touch of nature to their home without all the fuss. So, whether you're a seasoned gardener looking to expand your indoor plant collection or a beginner looking for an easy way to bring the beauty of nature into your home, the Back to the Roots Windowsill Planter, Lavender is the perfect choice. With its organic seeds, convenient kit, and guaranteed satisfaction, you'll be enjoying the calming scent of lavender in no time. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy gardening!